Hello, my name is Ernesto Almanzar. The following is a presentation for Excel Tutorial 5, Case Problem Number 2, Computer Science 101 at CUNY SPS Fall 2014. The purpose of this workbook is to summarize and display the ring family's farm expenditures by category using Excel tables, pivot tables, and a pivot chart. I started by creating an Excel table using the expenditure worksheet, and then I renamed this checkbook. I was asked to replace the category called farm with payroll, and for my favorite feature this week, I used the find and replace with the keyboard shortcut Control F. Click on the replace tab, find farm, and replace with payroll. Replace all. As we can see, this table contains all of the farm's expenses. They're sorted out by categories over here, but they have different dates. The pays are not in order. From this, we can take this information and we can sort it and group it into smaller groups in order to make it easier for data analysis. On Q5, we sorted the data by category in the ascending order, then the payee, also by ascending order, and then by the date pay from newest to oldest. I then proceeded to create Excel tables to present the data in a more concise and a more abridged format. For example, Q6 contains displays the expenditures for repairs and equipment under the category, but just for the month of December. Q7 is displaying the checks that contain the word vet under the payee, and also we added a total row to sum the amount of the checks. As I explained in the paragraph on the documentation sheet, pivot table is an interactive table used to summarize and group either a range of data or an Excel table into a concise format. Here in Q10-11, we took all the categories and the date pay, selected it from the fields to show it more in a better way, that easier to understand and analyze the data. From this pivot table, we were able to create the pivot chart here. Checkbook. We selected the category, date pay, then the date pay, we wanted to see the values of it in order for us to create the pivot under the options on the pivot table tools. We inserted the pivot chart, and here we are with our pivot chart. Here on Q12, we also have another pivot table. I don't think it would be easier or faster to actually select the range and then to find this by calculating formulas. Using the pivot table is advantageous because it's already designed to give us this. I believe now that I have concluded this presentation. Thank you and good night.